find h prime of the natural log of 3, we'll need to take the derivative of h. So just take the derivative of the horizontal component and the vertical component separately. Be careful of your chain rule. And now we can evaluate x prime when t is the natural log of 3. All right, we just substitute it in, and now we'll simplify. The exponential function base e raised to the log function base e are inverse functions of each other. They undo each other, leaving us with 3. Same thing here in the vertical component. The exponential function base e raised to the log function base e. They undo each other, leaving us with just 3. Let's do this piece. Well, before we do that, we're going to use that property of logarithms that says if a negative 1 is multiplied by a log, we can rewrite it as an exponent on what you're taking the log of. So this negative 1 will become an exponent on 3. And this negative 1 multiplied by the natural log will become an exponent on 3. Well, 3 to the negative 1 is a third. So this is e raised to the natural log of 1/3. And that is just 1/3. And then once again, this is e raised to the natural log of 1/3. The e and the natural log cancel each other out, leaving us with 1/3. And there we have it. H prime of the natural log of 3 is equal to 3 take away a third, 3 plus a third. Or in other words, 8/3, 10/3. And looks like choice C.